How's it going, folks? So I am here in Northeast Oregon, but I'm just in my backyard in my very wild and sleepy garden, and I thought I was coming out here to harvest some cleavers, so I thought, why not do a video? Um, Now the cool thing about cleavers is that she's kind of an evergreen, so like even though it's really cold out right now and we're only to midwinter, she can still be present in your garden. And in fact, this is all new growth because we let her grow so much that she dies back in the summer. So she started coming on in late fall, midwinter when we get a warm up. And generally, if your temperatures aren't staying consistently below 30 degrees and you don't have hard packed snow on the ground, we should have that here, but you know, global warming. She stays awake and active, and she just slowly grows. Now, cleavers is pretty amazing as a lymphatic aid. She gets your lymph nodes moving. So you know when you get sick and right here gets swollen and you get these glands right here, or maybe under your armpits, right by your breasts, those are your lymph nodes. And basically when you get like bacteria in there or viruses in there or like kind of just like gunk that's in your body in there, they swell up. And so cleavers is pretty great at getting in there and just getting your lymph nodes to function faster and pushing that crap out. So she's a really great ally for anybody who has chronically swollen lymph nodes. But externally, she's pretty cool too. Let me grab that camera from my other half and talk a little bit about her. So you probably have seen cleavers if you're a gardener at all, and you've probably ripped her out, ironically. You know, getting ready to rip her out to make an herb garden type stuff, but she's really sticky. She wants to stick to your clothes, she wants to stick to your fences, your tomatoes, anything and everything. But she's not actually sticky. She's just got these little microscopic hairs. Let me see if I can zoom in close enough. See all those little tiny little hairs all over her? Those are just grabbing onto you. Now, she is actually edible, and she was brought over here primarily by a lot of immigrating Europeans that brought her as a food source. But you definitely can't eat her without cooking her because, you know, she'll stick to your throat and choke you out. But externally, you can use this as a poultice, you know, where you're just mashing up the fresh plant or boiling it for a few minutes and then mashing it up. You can put it on your boils, your abscesses, skin issues like that. She can do pretty good things for skin level cysts. And then you could cure her, or to say dry her. There's a difference between curing and drying, but still, you could get the moisture out of her. And then you could make yourself an infused oil. And that oil is fantastic externally for things like eczema and psoriasis. And she's also pretty good, like if you're wanting to do like lymphatic massages. I like to include her in breast massage oils. Now let me hand this back to my other half. The one thing that's really cool when you switch through these different plant allies for lymphatic support, or even like breast health or like body massage, is that they're pretty specific for like certain times of the years. And a lot of you who like follow me, you know, on Instagram or have bought my breast massage oils know that I'm always switching up the allies per season. And that's because our body responds differently. So like right now we're about to come into spring. I know it doesn't seem like it outside. There's, you know, 5 feet of snow outside for a lot of people still, and it's like negative 30. However, as our bodies start to wake up into the season, it's super common for us to feel really sluggish because our bodies have just been going slow and the foods are heavier and we're not moving as much. And so anything like cleavers, who's just now starting to wake up too, is fantastic for getting your lymphatic system up and moving. And so I really like to work with plants in their seasons. Now she'll grow all summer long, but I do like to work with her before she goes into seed for that kind of stuff. But anyhow, that's cleavers. And I want you to know that you are smart enough to get out here and do these things. You're smart enough to do this stuff, paying people thousands of dollars to learn it. Just get curious about what plant's growing in your garden and learn who she is before you rip her up, because she might be a pretty good ally that could help you in ways you never even imagined. So if you like my videos, if you like what I jabber at, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications. If you're watching this on IGTV, make sure to come to my actual profile and you know, meet me as a person. Follow all the links in my bio, learn all about me, and just, you know, get to know me as a human. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.